The days of having to individually list and taking a ton of time are over. Thanks to the Juiced app, today we are going to bulk list all of these socks in our inventory. In case you guys don't know, I am going through a series right now of cleaning out my entire warehouse, finding products that I didn't even know that I had anymore, bulk listing onto Amazon and eBay using the Juiced app. If you guys want a 14-day free trial, check it out, linked down below. Let's check out all of the socks that we have right over here in this bin. You guys see that this says socks on it, and that is exactly what is in here. A bunch of random socks that I don't even know what's in here anymore, guys, or if we even have half of these listed. My guess is that we don't. So we're gonna take stock of everything in there, and we are going to use the Juiced app. And using the Juiced app, we're going to list all of the socks that we don't have already listed onto eBay and on Amazon. This is huge, guys. I don't list socks on eBay just because it takes such a long time, but thanks to the app, that's a thing of the past. So let's start listing these socks and let's see what we have in our inventory that I didn't even know about. And check out the power of the Juiced app. Again, if you guys don't have it, sign up for a free 14-day free trial, linked in the description. Let's get to the socks. All right, guys, this is all of the socks that we have here. No shocker that most of our socks are stance socks. You guys know that I preach those to you all the time. We've got some Under Armour socks, a couple of Adidas, some Nike socks, and just a very cute kitty who is hanging out with me tonight. Hey, Minx. So we're going to go through now and get you guys on the computer and use the Juiced app to start scanning all of these. So let's get to it. So guys, right now I'm going through the process of checking all of my socks and seeing where they need to be listed, if I already have them listed on here or not, so I can make a stack of if they just need to be listed on eBay or if they need to be listed on both. So I'm going to go through and do that process right now, and I will speed this up so you guys don't have to sit here and watch the entire thing and hear this. Alright, guys, after going through this mountain of socks that we had here, we found several that were listed on Amazon, just not listed on eBay. So hopefully the Juiced app can help us out there. The reason that I don't list socks on eBay is just because it takes too much time and it's not worth it and it's very difficult. So we're going to see if the Juiced app can help us out in any way. So we're going to try to list it on all platforms. This first one we are going to scan here is a Stance 3-pack. Anytime you guys see a Stance 3-pack, grab it because they are definitely worth it. So Stance 3-pack. Okay, it pulled up what we're trying to use here. All right, so we have what we're going to use here. We are going to copy this right here into our product title. I know that some people were saying that they had a couple of issues whenever they were trying to list to both eBay and Amazon, specifically with Amazon being a bit of an issue. So hopefully we are going to fix that tonight, and we will see if the issue has been. Again, you guys know what I say for my description. I just paste in from Amazon. Our expense, we paid, how much did we pay for these? $11.99 is what we paid for these socks, and we're gonna list these for $29.99 on both platforms. No sales for either one. For a SKU, we're just gonna enter in something random. The brand is Stance, and in this, guys, you really just put whatever. The size is medium, color pink. All right. Okay, just one good until canceled. No returns. Merchant fulfilled. Yes, we'll do. Varies by location. No international shipping. Yes to free shipping. And we use UPS ground. So with all of that being correct, let's see now if we were able to do this in one shot. Let's see if I made any mistakes or if we got it taken care of. Let's hit publish, see what happens. I just did a SKU that already exists, so let's see. Okay, listing added. Now let's see if it adds it to both. Look at that, guys. I know my face is kind of covering it. Let me move my face real fast. Let me just take myself away. Now, you guys can see that right down here, it just listed it to Amazon and eBay at the same time. Huge improvement. That is awesome to see. So shout out to the guys over at Juiced for making that happen. The Amazon is still technically pending, but it should be going through any second now. It takes a little bit longer to list over there. So that is how we list socks using the Juiced app. I'm going to go through now and list the rest of these socks. I could film that entire process, but I don't think you guys want to see that. Just know all total, we had 27 pairs of socks in our sock inventory, which we still have. And out of those 27, we had 2 that weren't listed on either platform. This is the stuff that I'm hoping to catch as I go through this inventory series. So be sure to stay tuned for future videos in the inventory series. And you guys are going to see me using the Juiced app in all of these videos. And you're going to see how easy it is to use. So be sure to sign up, become a user of the Juiced app, 14-day free trial linked down below in the description. I hope that you guys join up, and I hope that you start scanning your items, going through your inventory, finding mistakes like this. The Juiced app will help you track all of it. That way, moving forward, nothing like this happens. If we had something like this whenever I started, I wouldn't be having these problems. But luckily for you guys, it's here now, and you guys can use it. So shout out to the Juiced app, and we're going to continue using it. And I hope that you guys do as well. Remember, 14-day free trial linked down below. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. See you guys in the next video. Soul Stay from Juiced, signing out. We'll catch you guys on the next one.